All right, here I am with a pair of really old Crocs. Have you ever seen these Crocs before? I love them. It's got all the comfort of Croc without that nasty rubbery clog thing, which I was never a huge fan of, so I never bought any. But I love the looks of these, and they feel amazing. Everything is fine. Even this doesn't bother me, that the elasticity is gone. The only thing that's wrong now after nearly 10 years is this. It's starting to pull away. Now I didn't buy any real shoe glue, nothing professional. I'm just gonna try and make it so that it will do what I want it to do, and that is tool around home. I don't wear these outside. They're just an around the house shoe, and they are just perfect for around the house. You just, you don't even bother putting the heel on. You just step on the heel part. So anyway, over the course of watching way too much YouTube and seeing all the new shorts pop up, I saw these repair guys, these shoe repair kids doing this. So I thought I would use an old bottle cleaner. It's abrasive enough to scrape away at old stuff, but not so abrasive it'll just ruin everything, like this foamy stuff. I do not want to ruin the foam. So I'm gonna try this German adhesive. It's an all-purpose. I've used it, as you can see, it was a full bottle of glue. I've used 3/4 of it on multiple things, many different materials, and they hold pretty well. I'm sure it's not professional shoe glue grade, but I think it'll do the job that I want it to do. So I'm just gonna squirt some in and see if I can get it to stick. I think normally I let things dry pretty much for 24 hours before I try moving or flexing, especially flexing them. But at least a couple hours before I move them too much. Looks like I still need to put some on the toe. A little bit more. Yeah, I better do ample amounts, right? Do ample amounts on the toe. Now it's only this left foot. It must be how I walk or something. That's interesting. Okay. Gonna squeeze that right there and just wipe the excess off. Actually, maybe I won't. It might do better if I don't, huh? Okay. Now, what should I do to weight it down? Oh, I got this old style. We brought it brand new just a couple years ago, but it's super old style. It's filled with sand, These are awesome. Do you remember these from your school days? Anybody in your middle age years now? The 1980s and 90s? Those were the days, right? If I put that on there, I see that it's starting to come up at the toe. Well, it's already sticking, actually. Well, at any rate, this is what I do. This is probably just the second or third one that I've actually filmed, that I've ever bothered filming. But I do this all the time. Simple repairs. I mean, why go out and buy new stuff when if you just repair it just good enough that it works? If I was going out and letting other people see me walking around, probably I would get a new pair of shoes. But seeing as I can't find this style of Croc anymore, that's not an option. All right, so I live in an urban area and it is really nasty walking outside. Even just outside my door, it's nasty. The countryside is where I want to be, but here I am for now. This is just simple repairs. Come back for more.